There's something especially freeing about riding a bicycle. If you're in the right place, it's just wide open trails and pathways for you and your two wheels to build up some momentum and fly forward. And here on the peninsula, there are a ton of beautiful places to get lost in the ride.
Yeah, and for one local cycling club, it's not just about pedaling from point A to point B. It's about adventure, camaraderie, fresh air, and giving people more ways to enjoy being on a bike. Eric Griffion is the president of C3 Chesapeake Cycling Club, and he joins us here in historic Studio D. Where's your bike?
Actually, I asked to bring it in. When I was waiting for you all, and I said, I could do that sometime. You know, bring a little bike in, maybe ride around here. You know?
Yeah, okay.
I'll try that out. But it's at home. I will be riding tonight, though.
Okay.
So after the show, I'm going to get on the bike and
you'll be out riding. Yes. Okay. Well, we want to talk about the club first. So how did it all get started?
So the club's been around for a while. I mean, we used to be Crack and Crabs, and from there we've gone into what we are now, C3 Chesapeake Cycling Club. And we've been around, I guess, from the two, probably around 20 years, and I've been in charge now for about 5 years. And the reason we've really changed what we are is that we want to be more regionally. So now we are Chesapeake Cycling Club because we cover really all Eastern Shore. We're in Caroline County, Queen Anne County, Talbot County, I think it's the Caroline, Dorchester, Queen Anne. And we also want to get more into the Wicomico area, Delaware, and other areas. We're really trying to be a regional cycling club.
Yeah.
So tell us about some of the areas that you like to ride around in.
The Eastern Shore is really a great place to ride, period. So, you know, the one thing of it is that you could get on a bike and pretty much be semi-safe on any of the roads. I mean, you obviously want to know where you're going, you want to plan your route. It's like we have routes for all of our rides, so everybody can go in, they can use a system called Ride GPS and use that, so they know where they're going ahead of time. But, I mean, I don't know if I have a favorite. I mean, there is, Easton's a great area, Queen Anne County's a great area. Now we're doing gravel in Caroline County. Caroline County has the most gravel roads in all Maryland. So they're just dirt roads that the county has left as dirt roads. But they're great for us because we can do another type of riding, which is, you know, riding on gravel. And we're having a gravel ride that we'll be doing with that, which is great. It's coming up also.
Obviously wider tires, right?
Yeah, wider tires. I mean, the type of roads, like I actually just took my hybrid bike, which is only like 28 inch, but we probably recommend about a 30 to 40 inch more. But nowadays, the new bikes nowadays, they have a much wider fork, which is, you know, obviously where the tire goes in between. And that's really allowed people to use the same bike for gravel, road, maybe even some mountain biking because the bikes they're made to do more.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so you have an event coming up, and I love the name of this, the Scratch and Denton event.
Yes.
What is that?
So that's a new gravel ride. It's the first year, and obviously it's Scratch and Denton because of the gravel aspect, and we're in Denton. So we're in Denton, Maryland at a new brewery called Eden Brewery. If you haven't been there, really go there. They have a great food truck, Caroline's food truck, and they also have really good beer. And they open up this year, and we're going to do an event out of there. So they'll be hosting us. It's a gravel ride with 3 different routes. There's a 25-mile route, 37, and a 50, can't remember the exact number, 50-some miles. And it's about 40% gravel and about 60% road. And this is a ride that we'll have an after party afterwards with DJs and music and beer and all that stuff. Also coffee in the morning. We'll also have some interviews that are going on and just really make it a fun event. And we're really excited. This is the only gravel event in all Maryland. So we're the first. And we're hopefully the best.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have another one that sounds interesting, the Rolling Donut Ride?
Yeah, so a Rolling Donut Ride, you know, we're all about the sweets. You know,
Okay.
we're all about making it fun. I mean, obviously biking's great, but what's better than having donuts and coffee and beer and all those things? We want to make sure it's really fun.
You're a party club that rides bikes.
That's right. Sometimes we get asked those questions. So Rolling Donut Ride's in Queen Anne County. It's at the 4-H Park, which is a great park because they have tons of parking and pavilions, and it's just a wonderful place to have an event. And then the roads there, they're a little more hillier than further south you go. If you don't, have you ever ridden a bike? I mean, you go to like Salisbury or Cambridge. A lot of people come down there because they're even flatter than the upper part of the shore. So little roller hills, but really pretty farmlands and just a pretty area to ride. So there we'll have 3 routes. We'll have a 35-miler, 62-miler, which is a matrix entry, and then a 100-miler. So we'll have 3 routes, and we'll have lots of rest stops, lots of places for them to get more donuts. So you can get donuts in the morning, you can get donuts while you're riding, you can get donuts afterwards. And we'll have the donut costume, which generally I'm wearing, so if you see that going around. But we did something we did one time. We put it on the table, and I was surprised when people grabbed the costume and put it on themselves, because they not only wanted to be a picture of the donut, they wanted to be in the donut.
Sure.
So it's really kind of neat, and it's just a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
And if you want to be part of the Scratch in Denton event, we have the details for you here. It's happening on Saturday, August 29th at Edentown Brewing Company. That is in Denton, Maryland. You can be part of the only gravel riding event in Maryland.
That's right.
That's wonderful.
I know. We're
Eric,
excited.
always good to see
You too.
you. And right on.
Thanks, Lisa.
Thank
Happy
you.
pedaling.
Thank you,
Yes.
Steve.